Hello friends, now you are studying the arithmetic progression chapter NCERT exercise 5.3 question number 3 fourth part. In this given A3 is equal to, in 3 this it is given A3 is equal to 15, S10 is 125. A3 is equal to 15, S10 is equal to 125. Find D, and you want to find out D and you want to find out A10. A10. It is given. How will you solve it? First, A3 is given means A plus 2D is equal to 15. There is no any value is given. Now S10 means, what is the S10? S10 means Sn formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, S10. So d is not there. You will apply the formula because A10 is given, a plus an. It is a formula. You can apply Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an or a plus n minus 1 into d. A10 is given. So by this formula you can apply the, you want to find out A10 as not given. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then 125 is equal to 10 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That n minus 1 means 10. N is given 10 here. S10, A10 you want. S10 means what is n? So 2 5s are 10. You will get 125 by 5 is equal to 2a plus 9d. 5 to the 10, 5 5s are. So 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. From here, a is equal to 15 minus 2d. This you put in equation here. So you can write 2 into 15 minus 2d plus 9d is equal to 25. From the equation, if you put from equation, first put the value of a in equation d2. So 15 to the 30 minus 2 to the 4d plus 9d is equal to 25. So 5d is equal to 25 minus 30, then what is the d? 5d is equal to minus 5, then d will be minus 1. What is your answer? You are getting the d is minus 1. If d is minus 1 and A10 is equal to a plus 9d. A is not given. From the d, this you can get, because a is equal to 15 minus 2d. So what will you write here? 15 minus 2 into minus 1. 15 plus 2 gives you 17. Here you can write a is equal to 17. First term 17 plus 9 into minus 1. 17 minus 9, 8. What is the A10? A10 is 8. There is a 2 answer you are getting. A10 is equal to 8. Now your fifth part. In the fifth part, what is given? Question number 3, fifth part. What is the fifth part given? D is 5, S9 75. D5, D is 5 and S9 is 75. It is given. Find A and A9. You want to find out A and A9. D5, D is 5 given. D is equal to 5 and S9 is given. Sn. Sn means, what is the n? S9 is given 75. Here S9 is given. N is equal to 9. So Sn formula you apply. Sn is equal to, and you want D. What is the D? A9 fifth part, A9 and S9 you want. Put the value 75 here. D is 5, S9 is 75. You want to find out the N is given here because it is 9. So A9 and A, your part. So formula Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So S9 is equal to 9 by 2, 2A plus 9 minus 1 into D. What is the S9 given? 75 is equal to 9 by 2, 2A plus 8 into, what is the D given? 5. So 75 into 2 by 9 is equal to 2A plus 40. 8 5 the 40. 3 3 the 9, 3 25 the 75. So 50 upon 3 minus 40 is equal to 2. A. What will you get? 50 minus 120 by 3 is equal to 2A LCM. So 50 minus 70 by 3 into 2 is equal to A. You transpose by 2, you will get 35. So what is the A you are getting? Minus 35 by 3. One answer you are getting minus 35 by 3. It is your one answer A. And you want to find out A9. What is the A9? By this we will get the A9. A9 is equal to A plus AD. A9 is equal to A plus AD. What is the A? Minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into 5. So minus 35 by 3 plus 43 is 120. You will get 75. What are you getting? 80. 11 minus 3, 8. 8 upon 85 by 3. You are getting, it is the A9. One answer. Sixth part. What is the sixth part you are saying? Sixth part is given. A is 2, D is 8. A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8. A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8. Sn is equal to 90. Sn is equal to 90. And find N and An. You want to find out N and An. It is a sixth part you will see. In the sixth part there is a what is given according to this you put the value. What is given? Sn is given. Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So what is the Sn given? 90 is equal to N by 2, 2 into 2, 2A means 2 into 2 plus N minus 1 into D, D means 8. D is given. So 90, 9 to the 18, 180. 90 to the 180 is equal to N in bracket 4 plus 8N minus 8. So N 4, 8N minus 4. 8N minus 4. So you are getting 8N square minus 4N is equal to 180. So 8N square minus 4N minus 180 is equal to 0. I am transposing 180 that side and whole transaction I am writing like this. By 4 you can divide it. 4 to the 8, 2n square. By 4 you divide. Minus n. Minus 4 4 is 16. 4 5 is 20. 45 9 is 45 to the 90. Middle term factor. Quadratic equation you are getting. middle term factorial, you are getting 90. 90 factorization, what will you get? Then your answer will be, what is your answer? You will get the 90. How will you do it? 180 2n square minus n, 2n square, then 90 you factorize, or difference is minus 1. 90, 10 9 are 90, 2n square minus 10n minus plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. 2n common, n minus 5 plus 9 common, so n minus 9 5 is 45. So what are you getting? N minus 5 in one bracket, 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. So if n minus 5 is equal to 0, then n is equal to 5. If 2n minus plus 5, 9 is equal to 0, then n is equal to minus 9 by 2, it will be reject. You must show it. It is not that you are not getting, you must show it why it is reject, because it is fraction and decimal. So one answer you are getting, number of the term is 5, another you want an. An means a5 is equal to a plus 4d. What is the a? A is given to 4 into 8. 2 plus 32, that is 34. So a5 is equal to 34. That's all. You have finished this sixth part of question number 3. Rest we will tell you in the next question. Thanks.